Would you like to learn a little bit more about Uno Food School Pizza? We might not be able to see you at a food show during these times, but I can still tell you what makes Uno School Pizza different. We use fresh ingredients. We shred our cheese at our plant. Our sauce is a fresh pack. And we hand stretch our pizzas one by one. Our pizzas are not stamped out. And to ensure freshness, we're a made-to-order plant. We offer a variety of clean label products. These products have no soy, no artificial flavors or colors, no preservatives. We even offer an uncured turkey pepperoni. We also offer a sweet potato infused crust for extra nutritional value. We have this in cheese and also pepperoni. Uno Foods has a selection of specialty pizzas, including buffalo chicken, chicken bacon ranch, and even a barbecued chicken. And our unique cheeseburger, the flat cheeseburger, as I like to call it. There's nothing like it on the market, and it's a delicious change-up for increased participation. Need to use up some commodities? Add to our clean label cheese pizza. Customize by using your mascot name, such as Hornet's Hot Hamburger Pizza, or make your own specialty, like a Hula Hawaiian. Our cheese pizzas all have 1 pound of cheese per pizza. The possibilities are endless. You are the one who knows what your students will enjoy. Do they like spicy pizza, traditional, or just maybe something unique? Uno offers curbside solutions. Take and bake by the slice. Place the frozen slice in foil or a to-go container. Slide in the cooking instructions, and Friday Pizza Day will improve participation even at curbside. You can also do a take and bake full pie. All Uno pizzas are individually wrapped and sealed. No handling required. Like to serve it hot? Use Handguard's brand pizza bag. The cheese doesn't stick and keeps the pizza hot. Place a slice of pizza directly in the bag, pack it in a warming bag, and head to curbside. Increase your participation by serving a very popular menu item. Uno School Pizza increases participation by serving a high-quality restaurant-style pizza. Thank you for feeding our kids. Nutrition is important, and I hope you've learned just a little bit more about Uno Food School Pizza.